Humbled Trader Review. Is Humbled Trader legitimate, or is she another fake guru? David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and let me know your thoughts on Humbled Trader. I respond to every comment. In my opinion, Humbled Trader is a complete scam and fraud. And all of the indicators are there. She talks about day trading. She uses indicators and technical analysis. Again, the chances of you losing money by day trading are close to 100%. There have been numerous scientific research studies out there. One was conducted on the Taiwan Stock Exchange, and one came out in mid-2019, so very recently, that looked at and examined the Brazilian Bovespa exchange, which indicated that day trading leads to virtual 100% losses, and the very small minority, we're talking about like 0.05% of the people who were lucky enough and who were statistical outliers actually made less money than minimum wage. So this isn't a situation where you're going to be able to turn 2,000 into 20,000 and take expensive vacations, or turn 2,000 into 200,000 and drive fancy whips and live in a mansion. No, you are going to lose money with virtual 100% certainty. And if you happen to be the finite person, then the lucky thing for you is that you're going to suffer for the rest of your life, because the lucky people who actually make money by day trading, they earn less than minimum wage. And the funny thing is that this study from Brazil indicated that education, when it comes to day trading, is actually detrimental to your results. The study indicated that by buying courses on day trading, you will do less than if you just don't day trade at all. So again, Humbled Trader, she teaches day trading. She does not provide her full trading statements. She does not provide any evidence that she is legitimate. In my opinion, she is a complete scam and fraud. And actually, it's funny because in some of my videos, I actually warn people against people who have like 10 computer monitors, because they teach you like these 3 magical patterns. Again, she day trades. She uses technical analysis. In my opinion, Humbled Trader is a complete scam. Avoid her. She is a fake guru. In my opinion, she is a fraud. You are going to, with close to 100% certainty, lose your money by following Humbled Trader. Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on Humbled Trader. As I've said, I believe that she is a sociopath. I believe, in my opinion, she's a complete fraud. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below, like this video, and I appreciate your attention.